Hello everyone, my name is Trinson Aguilar and I'm a PhD candidate in the Fisheries and Aquatic Sciences Department here at the University of Florida. This is my third year here at UF, but I originally grew up in California, then moved to the University of Arizona in Tucson for my undergraduate degree in ecology. Then I spent a summer studying in the Galapagos Islands in Ecuador, before finally coming here. I've done a lot of different things before grad school, including being a college mascot. I originally wanted to go to medical school, but I fell in love with research when I spent 2 years researching rattlesnakes in the Arizona desert. Now I study sea turtle conservation in the beautiful coastal waters of Florida. Today I'm going to talk to you about my conservation research, but it is important to know why we study conservation science. In the natural world, which we as human beings take a big part in, there's a concept of interdependence, which means that all living things interact and depend on each other and their habitats to survive. However, since humans have changed the world and our roles in the ecosystem, conservation scientists must study how we can protect these delicate ecosystems and the relationships that living things have in them and with us as people. Which leads us to my research and on the relationships between Florida's boaters and sea turtles. An issue that has become more prominent recently are the events called vessel strikes. A vessel strike is when a marine mammal is hit by a boat in the water and can result in injury or death. Many different species are affected by these interactions across the globe. Here in Florida, vessel strikes on sea turtles have been increasing over the last 20 years, and this is becoming a growing concern that could possibly set back the successful conservation efforts that have taken place in the state and the surrounding region. My research specifically is looking into how green turtles react to oncoming boats to try to better understand how we can prevent future vessel strikes in areas of conservation concern. The photo on the right is from one of our field research trips, where we are looking for green turtles off the Gulf Coast of Florida. I also am working on creating a map of these same high conservation concern areas to show where turtle and boat encounters may be the highest throughout the state. Finally, I hope to show how these potentially fatal interactions may affect the green turtle populations in the future. All of this data and research will hopefully help managers conserve these turtles now and in the future. Here are some references that I used during this presentation, and I thank you all for listening.